So I just got back from the gym and I worked out after 4 days and I'm so tired. But my girlfriends called me saying that they're doing a road trip to Goa. They asked me if I wanted to go. I checked on Rohit because his leg is better than before but not fully recovered. I asked him if I should go and he's more excited than I am. I don't know why. He wants me to go because I've been wanting to do this trip with my girls for the longest time. And I can't believe that we're going to Goa tonight. We're driving down. We have no idea what we're going to expect in Goa because we just got to know that everything is shut in Goa after 10 o'clock because elections are around. We're just going to relax by the beach and swim in the sea. And that's exactly what I wanted. Today's a hectic day. I have to pack. We have to shoot a couple of reels for our own content. I have to take backup of things on my phone so I can shoot vlogs. I am nervous, I'm excited, and I am so tired. And I'm so lucky that I have such a supportive husband who is more excited than I am to do these travel trips and all by myself and my girls. We're gonna pack and get ready for Goa. Ro,
Yeah,
will you be okay?
absolutely, darling.
No, but your foot.
I'm okay, see? Standing by myself.
Rohit, are you
I'll be
sure
fine.
I should go?
Please go, you need a break.
It's very freaky that he's being so supportive. I don't know if it's normal.
When have I not been supportive? Say that.
But still, like,
Tell them. When have I not been supportive?
always supportive, but then I don't know if I should go. I'm feeling so guilty.
I'm not a green flag, baby. I'm green forest.
Rohit!
You go, you have fun. Come back soon, I'll miss you.
Of course I'll come back, so I'm coming back on Monday.
That's done, sorted. Time to go back to work.
Fun of me in that reel, na, that I was going to Colaba.
That was for a solo trip, right?
This is also solo, it's away from you.
Solo doesn't mean away
It's
from
away
me.
from you, it's solo trip.
Solo means solo,
No,
alone,
I'm
by
going-
yourself.
From the house, I'm going by myself.
But you're going to go out with two friends of yours.
But still, it's
What?
solo. I'm feeling so bad.
Imagine them looking at your vlog going, oh, this is the raw, uncut version of Kanu that we're getting. Wow. And all the time she's just crying.
I'm leaving my husband for the first time after getting married. You'll be fine, Mama.
You're just going for 3 days, okay? Please. Just
But you're
go.
broken.
See, my foot's healing. It's healing very fast. I'm fine.
Please call your mom if you need anything.
Yeah, exactly. I have family right upstairs, so relax.
Okay. I love you.
Love you too.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I miss you, puppy.
Hey,
Okay, you're not walking anymore.
What?
Don't walk, na puppy.
I'm not coming down with you. Let me
I know,
take a
but
hug
don't.
at least. I love you. Please ask her not to drive like a maniac.
Yes.
To be very safe.
Queen, if you're watching.
Yeah, exactly. There's no need to be in a hurry. No need to drive fast. Please take care. Okay? See you soon. Please don't get injured. Take care of your health.
Yes.
See you soon, darling. That'll be fine.
Hey! Oh my God, my Leo! Hi!
Hello.
Travel buddy 1, travel buddy 2. Hi, baby! Are we ready?
Oh yes.
Are we
we're all
ready?
packed. We're ready to go.
Woo!
Let's go.
Oh my God!
What is this?
How many days are we going for, Karen? Hi! We've been driving since 11 in the night and it's 7:30 in the morning. We stopped at this really cute place for some kadak chai. I think how many more hours? 4 hours.
4 hours. No.
4 more hours. Okay. We can do this. Any advice for drivers who drive such long distances like you?
Just drive.
Are you tired? How do you do this, man?
I've got great company, so I'm not tired.
Oh, and she is a phenomenal driver. She's so safe to sit with, and her judgment is bad. She's felt very bad that we called her a driver. She wants to be called a chauffeur.
No. Oh, yeah, you all are chauffeur-driven princes sitting here and warming your asses on the
But oh my God, seriously, hats off to the three of us. We have been so alive, so fun. And Quinn has mentioned that we didn't feel sleepy even once. That's because of our amazing company.
Oh my god.
So we take credit for that. Finally, guys! So we finally have reached our place where we are staying. We couldn't stay at the place where we were supposed to stay because last minute my friend, she had to take her cat with her. And there weren't a lot of places that were pet friendly. So somehow we found this place for tonight. It's very, very tiny, but it's only for a night. And we are barely going to be in our rooms. Like, who comes to Goa to be in their rooms? But the best part is that this is a beach resort. Me and Carol are just walking. I have to do recce to see how the sea is, if it's close by, if it's swimmable, and what are our options. We're extremely tired, starved, dirty. So yeah, first we're gonna freshen up, eat, hydrate ourselves, and then figure what we're gonna do. For now, the room wasn't very, very pleasant, but this is. At least we have the beach and the shacks, more options to eat. So this is refreshing, and this is exactly what we wanted, to be by the sea. So yeah, we're pretty happy. We slept for like 2 hours. And I think I was really excited to see the sunset. I woke everyone up because they would curse me if they missed the sunset because of me. Also, I'm not going to be mentioning the place that I'm staying because it's very, very, very average. And I wouldn't want you guys to come and stay here. Plus, it's just one day. We're trying not to be cranky about it. But yeah, I'm going to show you the view. It's worth it. We went to the beach, we took a few good shots, we had fun, we sat, enjoyed the sunset. Now we are heading back for a shower because we are so dirty. We'll freshen up, go eat dinner. Today we're not doing much because we are very, very tired. Probably we'll eat, come back and just chill basically, or maybe crash. And tomorrow we'll figure what we have to do. We're finally freshened up and feeling a little alive. Now we are very, very hungry, so we're heading to some Tibetan place for some yummy food. I hope the food is good and not a disappointment. But we're gonna come back and sleep and be fresh for tomorrow. Like, we're tired. That's it. I don't think I have to say anything. My state can tell you what I'm feeling. How tired are you girls?
I'm not tired, guys. We can party more.
And Quinn? I'm between these two. Like, I have energy, but I'm also very tired. Not a paid collab, but promoting Dot & Key's cleansing balm. Just look how nicely it's removing all the sweat, dirt, makeup. We deserve this. Finally, this day is coming to an end. The food at Tibet Cafe, it was so good, so reasonable. I think the 4 of us spent like what, $400 per person. Food was fantastic. We went to the beach to digest the food. We walked a little bit, and now we are back. We're going to sleep, and it's the end of the day. Bye. Good morning, guys. Day 2 today. We slept really well. We are very, very fresh, as you can see. But we are finally checking out from this place because it's super, super small for 3 girls and our cat. So we are gonna go grab breakfast. I don't know where, but I'm craving some good eggs, fruits, juices. And then we leave towards Mandrim because we are going to this place called Riva. I've heard very, very good things about that place. It's a very, very big place, and there's a bridge that connects you directly from the resort to the sea, so I can't wait to see that. Other than that, there are no plans. We are just here to relax. Maybe we'll shop a little bit. No idea what. We'll just take it as it goes. Right now, very hungry. We need breakfast. Good morning, babies. Hi, Leo. Hi, my Leo. We're leaving from here, Leo. We'll go to a better place, Leo. Okay, bye. This is my first ever trip away from Rohit after I got married. I am missing him so much. Like, I'm having a blast with my girls. It's so much fun. But at the same time, I miss the constant laughter, him yapping, and us bickering and doing all those weird things. I miss him so much. I can't wait to see him, and I really wish he was here. I'm sure if his foot was fine, he would have made it. But I can't wait to get on a call and check what he's been up to. I'm not recommending this place, but this is where the three of us actually fit. We slept बड़े आराम से इतने बड़े बेड पे. सिर्फ चलने फिरने और सामान रखने की दिक्कत है. We are getting like a 500 rupees discount because TV नहीं है, fridge नहीं है. मतलब TV forget, fridge तो होना चाहिए. So yeah, I use my banya skills to get a discount. And that's the bathroom. I mean, it's okay, but definitely not for 3 people. It's very, very tiny. While we were leaving for Mandram, we found this really quaint little cafe where we've come to eat some breakfast. And it looks so cute. I'm a sucker for plants and flowers. And I love cafes like this. Sat at the cafe for like some 2.5-3 hours. It was worth it. There was no one bothering us, just us. We spoke, we laughed, and no one should hear our conversations because they're
Girl stuff.
no, it's beyond. It's galaxies beyond. So now we're going to rewind Mandram. She made the suggestion. We were invited to stay there. So kind of them. So I can't wait to see the host and the place. Dude, best girls ever. It took them like 5 seconds. I wanted to choose a white dress for a shoot, and in 5 seconds they chose such a cute dress. Please, girls, go out with your girls. Have fun, travel with them. Since I told them that I want to buy my friends one dress each, they haven't stopped.
We'll buy like 2-3 of
They haven't stopped.
Mine, see.
Okay, let's see. So we're here at Viva and we are waiting to meet the person who invited us to this beautiful resort. It's looking so incredible and I'm so excited. Are we excited for a stay for 2 days here?
Yes.
Leo is super excited. He's the one who's leading us now. Are we excited?
Yes. I am. Let's stay.
Thanks for the recommendation, sweetheart. Oh my god. Guys, and you have to wait for the highlight of this resort. So, are the girls ready?
Yes.
Looking so pretty. Show me your hair. Show me your hair. Turn around. I like it. We're ready. I think this is like one of those really rare times where I don't feel like leaving the resort where we are staying because it's so beautiful. Like I stayed at really nice places, but look at this. Like there's a stunning riverish sort of a thing where you can kayak and fish, and that's overlooking the sea, and the sunset's right there. So blessed to be here. The property is just phenomenal. Tomorrow I have to do a lot of shoot for the place where we're staying at. A lot of fun aesthetic shots. We're just gonna be in the resort, relax. So far the trip has been excellent. Everything has gone on so well. We've shopped, we've eaten good food. That's it. This is a perfect girls getaway. So finally, after about half an hour's delay, we are finally leaving. Queen had work. We were getting ready. We were shooting. Leo is gonna be holding the fort down. Leo, take care of our place. Chalo, 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 chalo. Since I have a shoot tomorrow for the resort we are staying at, I don't want the hair to come on my face because it's really windy. So I thought might as well do some gold braids. It looks really cool. Plus, it'll serve the purpose. I can shoot showing my face and not my hair all over the face. Bombay for the caramel custard here. It is insane. And I'm going to record your expressions to tell me how is it. It's called Opas. The food, the kafrias, the vindalus and the caramel custard is to die for. This deserves all the attention.
Wow. The dessert I don't like at all.
Me neither. I don't like caramel custard, but let's see.
But she's been telling me it's wow. You have to try it. So here it goes.
Okay, I'm under a lot of pressure.
The texture.
Exactly.
Good. Very nice.
Okay, if she likes it, it means a lot because she's very particular about what she eats. She cooks her own food. My mouth is watering. I've dreamt of this. Rohit, you're missing this. Oh my god. Why don't we get this in Bombay?
Tell them it's your round 2. And she's on a diet, guys.
She's on a diet. Her gym trainer should be watching this right now.
It's gonna come on later. And I don't even like caramel custard.
Whatever
But
I'm
this
eating,
is...
you're not gonna eat. Huh? Take well.
Good morning, guys. It's day 3 today, our last day in Goa. I couldn't end the vlog yesterday because after the caramel custard, all we wanted was our beds. We were so sleepy. We came back, we spoke, we chatted, and after a while, we just crashed. And today, we just woke up, we had our breakfast back there, and now me and Quina will be at it. We have to shoot, we have to take some lovely aesthetic shots of this place, and we don't even have to try because there's such lovely corners and there's such lovely things to do in this resort. We're totally loving it. So we're gonna wrap up as soon as possible so that the sun doesn't get to us. Plus, in the evening, we might do kayaking or we'll go swimming at the beach. We still have to choose, but for now, we're just gonna be shooting. There she is, my team. Are we cranky? Are we happy today? Oh, we are cranky today. I honestly was so stressed. How are we gonna shoot? How are we gonna shoot? Because I did come prepared for the shoot, but this girl, her aesthetics are to die for. And I'm not saying this because she's my friend, but she's incredible at her work. And we are just shooting like so fast. Like it's so stress-free when you work with someone like that. Thank you, Quina. Much appreciated. It's looking all so beautiful and dreamy until you realize how hot and sticky it is. Okay, I am extremely happy. I was very stressed for the shoot because my partner Rohit isn't here with me, and I was so perplexed. How is this going to happen? But I was in very good hands. My friend, she is so good with shoots and she's worked for like 10 years, so she knows exactly what shots she needs. And we shot so quickly and my confidence just rose. I was feeling like I got it. I felt so good. Now we're gonna go have lunch, like a fish thali somewhere close by. Come back, take some kayak shots because they also have kayaking in the resort. It's a work day, it's a fun day. I'm with my girls and I am so happy. We just got done with our lunch. We ate fish thali at Satpurush. It was okay. I was very underwhelmed. I like the fish curry, so that was my little bit. Now I'm heading to this shop which I found while walking randomly, and I was bargaining the crap out of this shopkeeper. I needed more things, so I'm back here again. Let's see what they have to give. And this is how our girls watch their nutrition and drinking at the same time. It's all about balance, baby. You just had one. I ended up buying the macaron art piece. I got a crazy good discount, so I'm very proud of my bargaining skills. My friends got sick and tired of me. They literally left me and ran. They said, we don't know you. I am super happy. The day has gone on so well. We'll go kayaking over here. I can't wait. We will go shoot and then run to the beach. Taking a few of these amazing bridge shots. We kayaked I kayaked this beautiful lane. I was just talking to Rohit and I can't believe that this is what I do for work. I am so full of gratitude right now. Like, I'm so humbled. I've always loved adventure. I've always loved travel, and I've never ever thought how will it be possible and all. And I'm doing this for work. I get to live this life, and I can't thank you all enough for thinking and believing that I might have something in me to be able to do something like this. So thank you all. It means the world to me. I just feel like saying because my heart is exploding with gratitude and love. After that emotional moment, we'll be heading to the sea for a swim. I love swimming with waves and the sunset with my friends, with such beautiful work. And then we have to shoot the cabanas, and after that we're free. At peace. What makes me truly, truly happy and childlike, the water, the sea, the sunset. Time to leave. So our trip has finally come to an end, and today is the last day. We got up in the morning, we shot by the pool, we had some lovely breakfast. Finally it's time to head back. We're going to go back to that Cafe 69 because my friend, she loved the egg benedict. She wants to go back for that. I'd love to have a smoothie there, and I want to pick up some souvenirs for Rohit and my sister and everyone else. So that will be happening, and then we'll head back. It's crazy how much on this trip I have overcome my consciousness to shoot in public. We were shooting the breakfast shots while everyone was there eating nashta, swimming, and I was full in the zone of like taking the shots, beauty shots and all of that. But I've really come a long way. I used to get so conscious even just to take out my camera and film like the scenery. To today, doing all this nautanki in front of so many people, I feel so confident. I feel so much fun. So yeah, that's great. That's all for now, and I'll keep you posted. How am I supposed to get back with this weird ass hair? Jesus, this is a disaster. It's time. We're leaving. And this time through the trip, I was completely fine. Now I have an upset stomach. I've not eaten any nonsense. I had a soup last night for dinner, and we are driving down. I don't know how it's gonna happen. I think my trips are incomplete without something going wrong with my tummy or my foot. But yeah, successful, great trip. Going to make sure my stomach is settled so we can hit the road. Bye guys. Bye bye.
Mumbai is much better. Like literally.
This was so much fun, guys. A quick stop. She's working, she's driving, she's a multitasker. Thank God we are here. I was so hungry. After breakfast is the first meal we've had. Wow. So Quina is descending into madness completely. She's just been rambling. She has driven in one go. So I asked her, Quinn, भूख लगेगी तो क्या खाएगी सोने से पहले? She's like, मैं भूख को बोलूँगी अभी सो जा. कल बात करते हैं.
प्यार प्यास कुछ नहीं चाहिए. सब अपनी जगह पे, सोना अपनी जगह पे.
Finally, the
Hi
end
guys.
of our journey.
Ended, no? I still have
Thank
to
you
reach
so
home.
much. Thank you so much.
still have to
I love
reach
you,
home.
girl. Yes, and she has a shoot tomorrow.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Bye, love. Get home safe.